In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix no battery is detected on your Windows. So let's get started. So we have to make a right click at the start button, and here we have to select device manager. Once the device manager window is opened, we have to simply locate batteries, and here you can find your battery adapter. So you need to make a right click and then you have to select update driver. Go with search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed, and close this. If that worked for you, then good, but if not, go back to the same device manager window and locate again your battery adapter. Make a right click, select update driver. This time you need to go with the second option. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you have to simply choose the latest driver if you have more than one available drivers, and click on next. Click on close. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this. And you just have to restart your Windows once. Then go back to the same device manager window for the next method. Make a right click, select uninstall device, and click on the uninstall button. After uninstalling it, you have to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. After restarting, that will automatically reinstall the battery adapter or the driver that you have uninstalled from your Windows, and that will fix the issue for you. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.